everyone! Okay, for this video, we're going to do fresh and natural makeup. Hiniwala ko na. Less is more. Diba? Bongga! So, let's start. Oh, first is you need to clean your face. Micellar water. For BB cream, I use crayons to give me the healthy glow. Splendid para hindi siya mag-cake. And lumikit siya sa skin. Nabigyan niya ako ng skin glow. I'm going to do cream contour. This is from Careline. Cream contour. And maglalagay rin ako ng konti sa eyelids para magsilbi siya na eyeshadow. And also in forehead. After mong ma-blend, yung cream contour mo is cream blush. This is from Happy Skin lipstick. See? Diba? Nakaka-flash lang yung color niya. And also, maglalagay rin ako sa eyelids. Oh, I love it. And next is set it with powder from Everbilena. For the eyebrows, eyebrow mascara lang para ma-achieve mo yung feathery eyebrows. And curl your lashes. To apply your mascara. Mascara from Maybelline. Add your highlighter. Ito yung magbibigay lalo ng freshness kasi yung glow. for lips is just a lip gloss. I'm just going to do my hair. This is the final look. Diba? Glowy ka lang. Parang ang lakas fresh, and it looks so natural. Technique lang dito is that remember that less is more. So, fresh ka, ang ganda. Okay guys, if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up and share this video and try to recreate it. Kasi ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Feeling ko ito na yung makeup na bubuo sa buhay. Kasi ang fresh na, diba? Okay guys, bye! Thank you for watching. Subscribe na to my channel and subscribe to my growing family on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!